That's right. It's all about Weekend Eats on Weekend Smile. I think it's one of our favorite parts of the show, right? Food is involved, something smelling good. I feel like Nisha kind of saying, why I didn't get to do this segment, but I know Sasha soon running, right? Regardless, the ocean is full of countless fish and shellfish. And as Jamaicans, we love our seafood, okay? Today, we have invited Natasha Ellis and Anthony Harriott from Morisco's Kitchen to prepare a sumptuous seafood dish. Hi, guys. Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Thank you for having us.
You are more than welcome. What is Morisco's Kitchen all about?
So we offer seafood, all kinds of seafood, delicious seafood. We started in 2020. I used to do some fish fries before and persons loved it. So everybody encouraged me to start. So we started, I think it was towards the 1st of March.
Okay, during the pandemic.
Right.
Okay.
And persons loved it. We started from home.
Now you have your own business, you have your own spot.
Right.
I mean, how did you manage during the pandemic with all the lockdowns and, you know, all the curfews and restrictions? But you kept it going and you've managed to pivot and have a space for yourself now.
Yes.
So tell me, how did you maneuver all of that?
Customers love the food, so going along, persons were always asking, when are you going to provide dining for us? So we, for the pandemic, it was basically persons just picking up, and because you weren't able to eat out, it was
drop
good,
off too.
right? So we did deliveries, persons pick up, and it was good during the pandemic. It was really, really good.
Okay.
So,
why did you decide though to specialize in seafood? Because I don't know, a lot of persons, we don't speak Spanish, you know. Jamaica is not a Spanish-speaking country, but we're quite familiar with the language. Morisco's in Spanish is actually shrimp, right?
Seafood. Seafood,
right.
yes.
So tell me now, why did you decide to specialize in seafood?
All right, seafood is very quick and easy, and it's one of both of us specialty, doing the fish, the shrimp. It's really our specialty, so we just decided to go ahead and do seafood. We offer other meals as well now that we're at the location for persons who don't eat seafood. If you want to come out with your family and persons who are allergic, so we offer like chicken and other stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so when we talk about seafood, we're talking about fish, we're talking about shrimp, we're talking about the octopus, we're talking about conch, lobster. And I know that Chef Anthony is ready and waiting to cook for us. So you dropped a few things in the pot, Chef Anthony. What are you cooking for us today?
Today I'm going to be making some garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp. What you have in the pot so far?
I have the butter and the shrimp.
All right, so you're going to start doing your thing now. Okay, are you going to probably walk us through it? Chef Anthony, as you kind of drop the stuff, so you're going to let that simmer for a little bit?
Okay, no problem.
All right. Okay. Natasha, though, how difficult or how easy has it been for you to manage a restaurant or a new restaurant in Jamaica?
It has its challenges, especially because we're not. We don't have a big staff, and I do mostly everything. I'm in the kitchen, I'm getting stocks and stuff like that. So it has its challenges, but overall it's been good. It's been really good. Customers are happy with their meal, and that makes us happy.
That makes you happy.
Yes. So.
What would you say sets Morisco's apart from any other seafood restaurant? Chef Anthony, I'm going to give you this one because it looks like you love to cook. You know, it looks like you love to cook. So tell me what sets you guys apart from everybody else?
Right. The passion and the drive, and the drive that I have for the cooking, that speaks for itself.
Speaks for itself. All right, so you said you're making garlic shrimp. You added the butter, you added some shrimp that you seasoned already.
So,
okay, what else are you going to add to that?
Now I'm going to add in some garlic.
Okay, that's what,
blended garlic?
Blended garlic, okay.
So, and then I'm going to add my seasons now.
Some chopped onions.
Chopped onions, okay.
Scallions.
Okay, some chopped scallions.
A carrot. And pepper.
And some pepper, okay. Easy does it.
Yes.
Yeah. And a little sweet pepper.
Okay.
So I'm going to let that go and simmer now.
Simmer. Okay, and it doesn't really take that long, but you just want
about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's been
good.
Prepared.
So you actually brought some other dishes for us, Natasha. Tell us what we have in front of us here. So I see you have some nice, what is?
So this is steamed fish with crackers.
Ooh,
yeah,
one of my faves.
Yes.
Okay.
And we also have some sweet and spicy crab and crayfish.
Oh, okay.
This is one of our top sellers.
Signature sauce.
Signature sauce.
It's a signature. I mean, from the broth, it's, you know, like I said I was smelling something that smells really good. What I said, but I don't think it's a fish. But then when she popped open the crayfish and the crab, I was like, oh, I am sure it is that. Is it spicy? Is it sweet and savory?
Sweet and spicy.
Okay,
yes.
and he said it's one of your best sellers. People have to come out. And do you have like a special like crab night or shrimp night or fish night?
So because the location just opened, we're putting together some stuff. We're gonna do all you can eat crab and crayfish night on Fridays, and we're adding stuff as we go along. Yeah.
Okay, and what about your side dishes? I see, is that some mashed potatoes?
Today we have mashed
there?
potato. We offer a wide range. We have Bami's Festival, mashed potato, breadfruit, rice and peas. We offer a lot of sides.
Okay,
corn.
If you could give us I guess a hidden secret about preparing seafood, what is so special or different? You know, when you preparing seafood. Love.
Yes.
He said love. Look here, I was hoping that you would have said. Now, I hope saying I would have said, you know, say you mustn't add too much all-purpose because it just needs salt and seafood carrot over.
All our meals are prepared with love.
Anthony, I see what you're doing now. Anthony, just give it to me plain straight and just say love. If you don't have love in your heart, your food can't taste good.
Come out of the kitchen.
All our meals are prepared with love, yes.
Okay, and tell us now, Natasha, how can people find you? Where are you located?
Okay, so we're located at 10 to 12 Melmac Avenue. We offer pickup, you can dine, and we offer delivery as well.
Okay, and let me check in with Chef Anthony. He's stirring the pot now. Chef, what we're doing, we're just waiting for it to simmer down a little bit, or it good?
Yeah, just for it to
Just
simmer down
simmer
a
down a
little
little bit.
And then you're good?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
All right, I'm excited to try it. And then what about social media?
You can find us on Instagram at Mariska's Kitchen and on Facebook at Mariska's Kitchen.
Okay, and we can see all the options
All the
there.
dishes, all the menu, everything is on Instagram. as well.
Okay, all right. So while the shrimp simmers, I don't know, Chef Anthony, what's your favorite dish to prepare?
Well, everything.
You love to prepare everything.
I just love cook.
You just love
That's
cook.
how I express myself.
Okay, and what about you, Natasha? You have a favorite on the menu?
For me,
Because when I go anywhere new, you know, I always ask them. I say, what's the favorite? Like, what people love the most? So you mentioned this.
For me, so far I see them love the most, the brown stew fish.
yes, the brown stew is one of our top sellers.
That sauce.
Yeah, man.
Them
Can't
different.
lose.
Can't
The amount of love you put in the pot, Chef Anthony, them cannot compare. Them can't test you.
like already.
All right, so it's ready now, so we can play it and so our viewers can see the final product. Mariska's garlic shrimp. Ooh, smelling so good. Yeah, and we have our side dish as well.
Bring over the mash and the veg.
Yeah. So we have mashed potatoes with a little salad. And when I purchase any of these dishes, I can choose any side I want, right?
Any side. Yes.
Okay.
Comes with one side order.
It comes, okay. All right. So while we finish the plating of the meal, it looks so great. Thank you so much, Natasha and Anthony, for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
I'm excited to taste the dishes, especially I'm excited about the shrimp, I'm excited about the crab. You know, yes, they should get passing the fork. You know what time it is, guys. More to come on Weekend Smile. Don't go anywhere.